How to control PTZ cameras? We can select in the menu here PTZ, or we can directly press PTZ button. Then we search the PTZ camera. Choose search. And then confirm. Now we can use this joystick to control the PTZ camera. We can use these 3 knobs to control PTZ too. This one controls the speed of PTZ. Short press it and then rotate. We can change the speed of PTZ. Now it's slower. This knob controls shutter and iris. Short press it, it's manual mode, and press again, it's auto mode. This knob controls focus. Short press it, it can change between manual and auto. We can also control the shutter and iris by short press the joystick. And then rotate this knob to adjust. This switcher supports 10 preset positions of PTZ cameras. Long press it to save. And short press it to load the preset position.